Planning a trip to Thailand's largest island? This is your ultimate Phuket itinerary, from serene temples to legendary beaches, jungle adventures to wild nightlife. Whether it's 3, 5, or 7 days, we've crafted the perfect journey so you don't have to lift a finger. Save this video, grab your notepad, and let's dive in. You've just landed in Phuket International Airport. Welcome to the Pearl of the Andaman. First stop, Phuket Old Town, the cultural heart of the island. It's a world away from the beaches, with narrow lanes, Sino-Portuguese shop houses, and vibrant street art. Activities: explore Chalong Road and Soi Romani, visit Thai Hua Museum for some local history, grab a coffee at the Old Phuket coffee station, or Bohemian. Check out Lard Yai Market, only on Sunday evenings. Food recs: try Hokkien and mee at Mee Tun Po. Visit Raya Restaurant for authentic Southern Thai cuisine. Pro tip: stay at a boutique hotel like the Memory at On Phuket's oldest hotel with retro charm. Day 2 is all about soaking up the sun. Grab a scooter, don't worry. Rentals are cheap, and cruise down to the southwest coast. Karen and Kata beaches are ideal. Clean, laid back, in just the right amount of buzz. Beach options: Karen Beach. Long stretch of sand, perfect for parasailing. Kata Beach. Great for beginner surfing in clear waters. Ao Sane. Hidden rocky cove for snorkeling lovers. Activities: surf lessons at Kata. Rent jet skis or go paragliding. Enjoy a massage right on the beach. Lunch: beachside Thai stir-fried dishes at Red Duck Restaurant. For a vegan option, try the Kata Healthy Corner. Sunset spot: Promthep Cape dramatic clifftop view. Windmill viewpoint, less crowded, equally scenic. Dinner: book a table at Mom Tree's Kitchen. Fine dining with sea views. Now it's time to get a little wild. Welcome to Patong. Think of it as Thailand's version of Vegas: loud, bright, and completely unforgettable. Nightlife options: walk Bangla Road bars, clubs, and street shows. Illusion Phuket massive nightclub with world-class DJs. Kudo Beach Club, chill beach vibes by day, electric by night. Prefer quiet? The Surface Bar, rooftop views and cocktails. Heaven Restaurant and Bar, romantic vibe above Katanoi. Pro tip: be respectful, stay alert, and agree on prices with tuk-tuk drivers beforehand. This is what you came for. The jaw-dropping islands around Phuket. Book a speedboat tour. It's a long day, but a once-in-a-lifetime one. Tour options: Phi Phi Islands, Maya Bay, Monkey Beach, snorkeling in Pile Lagoon. James Bond Island, limestone cliffs in Phang Nga Bay. Similan Islands, for serious divers, world-renowned underwater life. Included in tours: hotel pickup, lunch buffet, snorkeling gear, life jackets, water. Pro tip: choose an early morning or luxury small group tour to avoid the crowds. Look for companies like Blue Onda or Simba Sea Trips. Evening: light dinner by the beach, or chill at your hotel spa. You'll be tired. It's time to slow down and connect with nature, with animals, and with your own spirit. Morning: visit the Big Buddha 45-meter marble icon with panoramic views. Explore Wat Chalong, Phuket's most revered Buddhist temple. Midday: lunch at Wee Cafe, healthy, Thai fusion, and fresh. Head to Phuket Elephant Sanctuary, an ethical rescue center. Walk with elephants, feed them, and learn about conservation. Optional: hike to Bang Pei Waterfall or visit the Gibbon Rehabilitation Project. Evening: join a sunset yoga class at Sentosa Detox and Wellness Center or by the beach. Dinner: Thai tapas and cocktails at Swai Restaurant in Cheung Talai. Day 5 is your recharge day. No alarms, no plans, just vibes. Start your day: traditional Thai massage at Let's Relax Spa or Oasis Spa. Markets to explore: Chilva Market, trendy clothes, local eats, great for Gen Z vibes. Naka Market, weekend. Phuket's largest souvenirs, electronics, food galore. Try grilled squid on a stick, Thai roti pancakes, fresh dragon fruit smoothies. Dinner idea: take a Thai cooking class at Blue Elephant Phuket or Pum Thai restaurant cook, eat, and bring home the recipes. Got more time? Don't rush off. Here's how to extend the magic. Ideas: day trip to Coral Island or Racha Island, quieter than Phi Phi. Stay a night in Khao Sok National Park, floating bungalows in the jungle. Join a Muay Thai training class. Get scuba certified if you're into diving. Hidden gems: Banana Beach, secluded paradise. Lemka Beach, local vibe, no crowds. Recap: Phuket itinerary at a glance. Here's your cheat sheet. 3 days Old Town, Kata Beach, Phi Phi Island. Tour: 5 days Big Buddha Elephant, Sanctuary Nightlife in Patong. 7 days waterfalls, cooking class, hidden beaches and yoga. From tuk-tuks to temples, cocktails to coral reefs, Phuket has it all. Now that you've got the only itinerary you'll ever need, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel guides, and let me know in the comments.